Hi, I made this screencast of Acellus so you could see what it would look like when a student logs into Acellus, and also the parent point of view so that you can look at your child's progress. So over here, I'm going to type in Acellus. I'm going to go to Student Sign In. I'm going to pretend I'm signing in as a student, and every student will have a password. I'm going to sign in. Over here, these are the students' classes, so we could click on any one of these classes. Right away, the video lesson will begin. Go back. All right, I can check over here if there's any messages. The student and I have been, you can see we've been talking. If the student wanted to send me a message, you would click on New Message, and the student can send me a message. This is just like email. You can see over here, the green box represents the student has been signing in to math every day. You can see there was no activity here, but there was activity on Sunday. This calendar here is helpful. For next year, it will show any events on the calendar, any holidays. These are overall scores. These are grades the student has received. Library would be for any virtual books that I want to assign or articles. And then homework here for next year, there'll be additional homework assignments I can put there. So that's what the student's point of view looks like. I could sign out, and then the parent will be able to sign up through email. So the parent sign in looks just like the teacher sign in. You also will have a password. You put the password in here. And here I can see I have no messages right now. This morning I had 2 messages, and it's a Sunday, so I responded to those students who left me a message. But what I can do is I can go to my classes. I can select a class. I can perhaps go to 4th grade language arts. I can look at the students that are in 4th grade. I can click on how a student is doing. For instance, I can see 19 out of 22. I can click on, and on any of these I should be able to see what problem was missed, what answer was given, and what was the correct answer. So I could actually look at what the question was. The parent will also be able to see the same thing. So if we go back to, let's say, 4th grade math, I could see these are the dates. On the dates, I could see how many minutes and seconds the student spent, and the parent will also see the same thing. And if a student is having any difficulty, over here in the messages, I will get an alert that says so-and-so is having difficulty on a lesson, and then I can either email, text, or contact you some way to let you know to please go over those lessons with your child. So that's pretty much it. When I sign out, I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this short, quick tutorial. Bye-bye.